So hello everyone, good afternoon. So we have a problem number 5 here. So a paper mill machine room produces 50 metric tons of finished paper per day, and it's found that approximately 1.5 kg of water must be evaporated for every kilogram of finished paper as the paper goes over the dry rolls. What exhaust cubic meter per minute is needed if room conditions are 38 degrees Celsius and 40% relative humidity, and the tempered air enters the room at 20 degrees Celsius and 50% relative humidity. So with the given here, so 20 degrees Celsius and 50% relative humidity, makakuha tayo ang specific humidity of 0.0073. So mga itong specific humidity 1, and for specific humidity 2, we have given 38 degrees Celsius and 40% relative humidity. So makakuha tayo specific humidity 2 nga 0.0206. So ga-produce daw ang paper mill machine of 50 metric tons, which is equivalent sa 50,000 kg per day. So ang gingon dire is it is found that approximately 1.5 kg of water must be evaporated. So atong water nga gina-evap is 1.5 kg. So i-times na nato na siya. So 50,000 kg per day times 1.5 kg. So natin makuha nga mass sa water, which is 75,000 kg per day. So i-convert lang nato siya into kilogram per minute. So for 1 day nato makuha nga 24 hours. And then in 1 hour tayo makuha nga 60 minutes. So gano'n lang. Halagi 1 hour. Cancel na siyang hours and day. And tayo makuha nga 52.08 kg per minute. And then for exhaust cubic meter per minute nga ito makuha, natin formula nga B is equals to mass of water over specific humidity 2 minus specific humidity 1. So i-substitute na ito na nakuha nga value. So we have 52.08 over 0.026 minus 0.073. 3,915.79 cubic meter per minute. So that's all. Thank you.